Hey there, are you wondering how a Singapore diploma can skyrocket your career? Well, stick around because I've got some exciting insights for you. First up, let's talk about the structure. A typical diploma in Singapore lasts about 1 year and is packed with intensive coursework that covers all the essentials of your chosen field. But here's the kicker, most of these programs include a 6-month internship. Imagine this, gaining hands-on experience, networking with industry professionals, and learning the ropes while still studying. Sounds brilliant, right? Now why is this valuable? Well, think about it. Employers are always on the lookout for candidates who can hit the ground running. By the time you finish your diploma, you'll not only have theoretical knowledge but also practical experience. This makes you a highly attractive prospect in the job market. Singapore is a global hub for business, finance, technology, and more. Studying here means you're getting a world-class education in an environment that's buzzing with opportunities. Plus, the connections you make during your internship can open doors to permanent positions. Your diploma is essentially your gateway to a thriving career. Another perk? Flexibility. Many diploma programs in Singapore offer part-time options or evening classes. This means you can balance your studies with other commitments, making it a perfect fit if you're juggling work or other responsibilities. And let's not forget the personal growth. Living and studying in Singapore exposes you to a rich blend of cultures and perspectives. It's an experience that broadens your horizons and shapes you into a more well-rounded individual. So, if you're looking to boost your career prospects, a 1-year diploma with a 6-month internship in Singapore might just be your golden ticket. It's a smart investment in your future that offers immediate and long-term benefits. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips.